Hi, welcome. We have gotten a lot of different products from TomTok today. I have heard a lot about this brand. It's a pretty good brand, and we have different models of this bag which we are going to be talking about later. But right now, we are going to be checking out this Link Bean bag from TomTok. And we are going to be seeing its material, the capacity, everything else about it. Like, I have been using this bag from past few months, and I would really like to share the feedback with you guys, how it's been for me, like how accessible it is, the quality of it, and the material, everything we are going to be talking about. So let's get to the design right now. Coming on to the material part, I mean, when I touch it, it feels really good. Like, it's quite soft, and even this color in this fabric looks amazing. It looks pretty good, and we have gotten 6 colors in it. Like, there are caramel, grey, black, navy blue, green, and this pink. Also, the best part about this bag is that is RFID protected, so you can keep your credit cards and debit cards, and it will be completely safe, like if you're in a crowd, as it is RFID protected. The look that is quite premium. I mean, if I'm going out with my friends or for a movie, I don't have to worry about carrying a fancy bag. It's quite easily accessible, and the material looks amazing. And this material is actually environment friendly because it's made of recycled nylon polyester. The finishing is also quite good. I mean, if you see from the sides, the threads are not coming out, and the finishing is quite nicely done. I mean, even in the zippers part, if you see, the finishing is very nicely done. TomTok use YKK zippers, which is quite good because YKK is very famous for their zippers. And you don't have to worry about the zippers getting damaged easily or coming off, and they're quite smooth, easily accessible. With this material on the back as well, like on the straps, the buckle, it's quite soft. I mean, you usually use fanny and all, with the straps are quite rough. So when you use it on your skin, it gets you get rashes, or it gets red, or you feel uncomfortable. But these straps, you are not going to feel uncomfortable because they're very smooth and silky, and they're quite adjustable, like for any sizes. Anyone can use it. Like, the size of these straps go from 62 centimeter to 111 centimeter. So you can adjust it according to how you want to style it, like if you're wearing it in the front or on the waist. And also, the good thing about these straps is that when you adjust these straps, they don't easily move. So if you're putting it on the waist and you're moving, so it won't loosen up or come down. And one more thing that is quite good is that if you're tall or short, everyone can style it. Like, it will look stylish on every one of you. Even on, if you see the stitches on the buckle part as well, even if you can visibly, like, it's visible to your eyes, the stitches are visible. They have very nicely done this design or stitches, no threads coming out, or it doesn't look chaotic at all. And the size of this bag quite sums up, because if you're going on a trip and you have to carry your passport and keep your mobile, everything in one bag, it can easily be done with this bag. Overall, I mean, I quite like this bag because the fabric cannot be torn, or I don't have to worry about changing my bags now and then. So summing it all up, this product is quite amazing because it's like a small package with a lot of benefits, and it's easily accessible for all of us.